Like I've been explaining to you guys in my other videos, that we're going to be just doing a little quick protein smoothie. I love my avocados, I love my bananas, so we're going to do a big, nice, good smoothie just to put on a few extra pounds for me, because like I said, I'm doing my little weight gain journey. Hope that went well, guys. Okay, so we're going to just jump right into this, guys. So today we're going to do a quick smoothie, like I said, for weight gain. You can use any type of milk, any type of things that are protein if you like. Today I'm using oat milk, which I love, which is really, really good for you. I'm doing a little bit of Ensure, vanilla. You can get chocolate, whatever, however you want your smoothie to taste. I'm doing the avocado smoothie as well. Just letting you guys know. I'm doing a half of avocado. Banana. Now I froze my banana. I put it in the freezer for about like 30 minutes or so. So, because what that does is it gives your smoothie like that smoothie, slushy, frappuccino type taste. So it's gonna be really good. So we're gonna do a banana. We're gonna do a little bit of Rebel, which I love. Vanilla protein. I always get it. It's from Whole Foods. It's really good, and it has 6 grams of protein in it, and it's plant-based, and it also has cinnamon. So it's really good. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of this, and I'm gonna throw a little bit of peanut butter in it. So we're gonna start this off. I'm going to wash off with my avocado, cut it down the middle really quick. I'll actually save the other piece for like a milkshake or something like that. I'm sorry, not a milkshake, a salad. So right now I'm going to open up my banana. Love banana. So we're going to do the banana. And like I said, guys, I froze it. I put it in the freezer for a little bit, just so it can get that like dense taste. So it can kind of taste like. So also, what might happen too, little pieces might start sticking like from the outside of the banana, which is okay, as long as you get the other little pieces off. Okay, so we're gonna do that. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna also open up our avocado. So good and nice and green. So we'll do avocado. Ooh, slide out. And this is gonna be so good. My friend, Quetta, she actually lives in LA, and she actually put me onto these smoothies. So shouts out to Quetta. Go follow her. The menu here. Follow her Instagram page is lit as well. She does like all types of foods. She's cooking about it. So a little bit of oat milk and a little bit of Ensure. I'm gonna just do the whole Ensure. Why not? Ensure. I did the oat milk. We're gonna do a little bit of the protein vanilla. Like I was telling you guys, just a little bit, just to add that vanilla taste to it. And I'm gonna add blueberries. I'm gonna mix it up. And I'm gonna do some blueberries. They're really good. Just a few. Really not a lot, just a few. I'm gonna do 1 scoop of peanut butter. I probably am overdoing it, but I don't believe in overdoing it. And getting it done, okay? So we're doing all of that, and now we're gonna add a little bit of ice. Wash our ice off. We dropped some. Alright, so we have our ice, we have our peanut butter, we have our oat milk, we have our Ensure, our frozen banana, blueberries, a little bit of peanut butter, our avocado, and this is about to be amazing. I just feel it in my bones. This is going to be like the die for, guys. So we're going to just throw this on here, lock that up, lock and load it. gonna be amazing. I'm sorry, guys. So we're about to just taste this out. And it's giving that condensed feel, like I told you guys, like that milkshake feel. Y'all. I wish I was here to taste it. Dude, it's so good. You can see the little green because of the avocado. I'm sorry. This, I'm just like, I'm amazed. I'm amazed. Okay. I'm telling y'all, that's it. Subscribe to get more smoothies, to get more yoga tips, to get more of everything. If you want to gain weight, like I'm trying to bulk up my weight. Also, I was actually 108. I was very small, 108, and I actually gained like what, 8-9 pounds. I'm 117, 18. Was that 9 pounds? So it's working. I'm amazed, and this is good. Subscribe. Make a yoga smoothie. Look at that, guys. Yoga smoothies. We can call these yoga smoothies. Avocado, bananas, plant-based protein. Rebel, you can get it from Whole Foods. It's really, really good, guys. It's really good. 16 grams of protein. Avocado, peanut butter. If you don't like peanut butter, if you're allergic to peanut butter, you ain't got to do no peanut butter. You can take that out. You can do chocolate. Ensure oat milk. I added a little bit of blueberries. Oh my God. Amazing, guys. Subscribe to my channel to get more tips. Love you.